question is from GATE 2019, heat transfer for 2 marks. Stream A with specific heat capacity this is cooled from 90 to 45 in a concentric double pipe counter current heat exchanger having a heat transfer area 8 meter square. The cold stream B of specific heat is given is this, enters the exchanger at a flow rate of this and 40 degrees centigrade. The overall heat transfer coefficient we have given 250 watt per meter square Kelvin. Answer: assume that the mean driving force is based on the arithmetic mean temperature difference, that is delta T AMTD. They have given AMTD this, where Ti in and Ti out refers to the temperature of the ith stream at the exit, inlet and exit respectively. The mass flow rate of the stream A is. Let's start with the solution. You can see here heat transfer rate from the heat exchanger we know very well. We can say it is given as Q is equal to UA delta T AMTD. They have given arithmetic mean temperature difference. Actually generally we take it as LMTD, but they have given AMTD, so we will use AMTD. Q is equal to UA delta T AMTD. They have given TA in, you can see here, that is 90 degrees centigrade. TA out they have given 45 degrees centigrade. They have given TB in 40 degrees centigrade. So we will put all these values in delta T AMTD. Right, I have put all these delta T AMTD in degree centigrade only. I can convert it in Kelvin, but there is no need to do that since there is a difference in temperature, so we don't need to worry about the degree centigrade or Kelvin. So we will put just these values in degree centigrade. From this we will get delta T AMTD is equal to 47.5 minus TB out up divided by 2. You can see here Q is equal to UA delta T AMTD. Right, from this we know that U is equal to 250 and A is equal to 8, and I have put this value delta T AMTD is equal to this. So I have got this expression. Now I will use the fluid B. For fluid B, you know very well, we will write it as Q is equal to MCB. It is actually CPB. TB out minus TB in, you know very well. This is the simple formula. So I will put M. They have given the mass flow rate of fluid B is 1 kg per second. I will put this. And CPB they have also given as, you can see here, they have given CPB is equal to CPB 1000 joule per kg Kelvin. Right, so I have just put these values here. Right, I don't know TB out, so I got Q, the heat flow rate. Right, I will equate these two equations, this equation and this equation. Right, after equating this I will got TB out is equal to 67.5 degrees centigrade. I got this 67.5 degrees centigrade. Then I will put this value into this equation. Then I got the value of Q. From this you can see here I will get Q is equal to 27,500 watt. Why I am getting it is in watt, since it is a 1 kg per second and this is given 1000 joule per kg Kelvin, and this is difference can be Kelvin. Kelvin to Kelvin will be cancelled out, kg to kg will be cancelled out, there will be joule per second, then it will be watt. Joule per second is a watt. So I got this. Now I will use the fluid A. I know again I will use Q is equal to MCPA, TA in minus TA out. Then I got 90, it will be 90 minus 40, and I know Q is equal to 27500 watt and I don't know the M. So from this, after solving, I got M is equal to 0.305 kg per second. This is the final answer as per given official answer keys. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.